Hi there, this is Matt Allington from Accelerator BI. I'm really excited to be coming over to New Zealand in a few weeks on the 12th to the 14th of February for the Difinity 2018 conference. It was a great conference last year. I'm pleased to be back this year. I actually have 3 presentations this year. I just want to briefly talk to you about those. So first of all, I have a pre-conference called Demystifying the DAX Language. I talk more about that in a separate video, and I'll provide a link to that video at the bottom of the screen so you can find out more about that. And that's going to be very much a hands-on session. I do have 2 sessions that I'll be covering during the main part of the conference. My first session is entitled Evaluation Context in DAX. So this session assumes that you have some understanding of the DAX language, but you're looking to get a deeper understanding. This is the hardest thing to learn in DAX in my experience, and I'm going to take the time to explain the concepts to you. So I'm going to cover some of the background, like the relationship types, and start to introduce this concept of evaluation context. And then I'm going to be pretty heavy on demos showing you how row context works and filter context works, and then bringing it all together with context transition. And then, assuming I have time towards the end, I'm also going to talk about the bidirectional cross-filtering that exists within Power BI Desktop. So that's my first session, and then my second session is titled DAX as a Query Language. And some people know that DAX is a query language. Not everyone knows how to use it. So I'm going to explain a query language and give you some use cases for DAX queries within Power Pivot for Excel and also Power BI Desktop. And then once again, it's going to be pretty heavy on demos. I'm going to show you how you can use DAX as a query language to solve some of these problems as I have on the screen here. So I really hope to see you there. It's not too late to register, so there will be a link to register on this video, so please click the link, and looking forward to seeing you there. Now, as some of you may know, I've just finished writing my new book, Supercharge Power BI. This book is available for sale in Australia, but it's not available in New Zealand as yet, not until about June this year. So given that I'm coming across, I'm going to bring copies across for anyone that would like to buy my book. There's a link on the screen there. Click on the link. You can pre-order the book, download the ebook version immediately, and then I'll bring a copy of my book for you when I come over to the conference on the 12th of February. Come and see me to collect your book, and I'll even sign it for you if you like. Looking forward to seeing you there.